Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix files missing in Files app on iPhone. Now there are two ways that we're going to do this. First, I want you to head over to Files right here, and what you're going to do is look for the Browse option right here, and under Locations you have two options, iCloud Drive and then on my iPhone. Now here is the tricky part. Now most of the times it would go to iCloud Drive. The problem here is that sometimes you might be saving stuff from another device and you thought it should be syncing in here. But you have this option right here that says that your iCloud storage is full, which is one of the reason why the file that you have uploaded or you may have uploaded from that particular device or another device is not in here. Now that's a problem. Now, if say for example you're not experiencing that problem, what I want you to do is head over and click this arrows right here, and you can see the files inside them. So that is the thing. Now we're gonna move on to on my iPhone. So if you do move from here, what you're going to notice is that there will be several files or folders in here, and I want you to do the same thing. So just click them in order for you to see the folders inside or the files inside these folders. Now, if say for example you're still not seeing it, you can also head over and click the search right here, and then just basically type it from here. Now, say for example, you've done those and nothing works. What you can do is restart your phone. So restarting your phone sometimes fixes bugs, problems, or issues that we have on our current phone, and that's going to be a very big help for you. So I want you to go ahead and do that one. And again, everybody, those are the two ways in order for us to fix files if it's missing here on the Files app in our iPhone.